Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Today, hopefully, we're going to try to harvest some peanuts that I planted, and hopefully we'll get a harvest, and I wanted to bring you along. Let's go. So I want to say back in May, maybe early June, I planted these peanuts. I got them from Haas Tools, and hopefully we will have some peanuts. We're going to go ahead and pull up one to see what it looks like. Oh, what do you know? We have some peanuts. We have a few more on one. And we have some more on this one. Oh, wow. I'm pretty happy that I have some peanuts. So I'm going to take my plants and put them in here. And like I said, overall, we have some peanuts, not as many as I wanted, would have liked rather, but we do have some, which is good. So I think what I've learned is next year I'm probably going to plant them earlier and plant more seeds for a bigger harvest. I may put them in the containers that I have here, or maybe in one of the raised beds. But either way, I'm going to plant more. Next, we're going to go ahead and do a little harvesting of peppers and okra. So we're here at my green peppers, sweet bell peppers, and we got quite a few that we can harvest. These are really starting to produce here. Let's go and get some hot peppers. Let's check out the jalapenos. Nice variety, nice amount rather of jalapenos. Cowhorn cayenne pepper. Lots of them here. Big one here. See, these are our Scotch bonnets. And we have a few that starting to change color, turning to yellow. This plant looks like it may need some calcium, so I'll come out later on today to put some on it, pour some on it rather. And my Eau Douce have has a lot of pods on one limb where they're actually leaning over. So we're gonna go ahead and take some of these off to help the limb out. Now, I've never really had or tasted the Aji Dulce, so this seems like a pretty good time to do so. Fruity. Doesn't smell hot. Little heat, but not peppery or spicy at all. You pretty much use these in everyday cooking. Okay, next I'm gonna go get some okra. As those of you that grow okra know, once it starts to pod, if you don't cut frequently, they get very big, like this one. The variety that I'm cutting here is the heavy hitter, and we have 12 plants, of which about 4 or 5 are actually actively producing pods. I'm expecting the other ones to start soon. So we got about 6 pieces of okra. I want to show you an example of cross-pollination. Hopefully you can see it. We're on my bell pepper plants, and this pepper here, if you can see it well, does not look like a bell pepper. It actually looks like some type of poblano or something along those lines. This is an example of cross-pollination. My spicy peppers are nearby, and what probably happened is an insect flew from, after being in one of the flowers on one of the hot pepper plants, came over here to this flower and cross-pollinated. Not to worry, it will be eaten. Okay, my main purpose today was to harvest my peanuts, and as you can see, I was successful somewhat in getting a small harvest. And next year, I think I mentioned it previously, and I think I have an understanding now. I'm going to plant more plants, or more seeds rather, and probably put them in a raised bed. I have one raised bed that I haven't even put any soil in it yet, and I think I'll probably end up using that. Now, as I said, the peanuts were my main purpose, but we were also able to get a very good harvest. So I'm proud of that and happy for that. We got several bell peppers, several Scotch bonnets, several cowhorn peppers, several jalapenos, several al dulce, and okra. So if you enjoyed the video, I want to thank you. Give me a thumbs up. I hope the video brought a smile to your face and a little warmth in your heart. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of vegetables by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my video, your friends and family will as well. We're very close to a significant milestone for me, and every little subscription helps. So until next time, always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow. Lastly, and most importantly, always give the thanks to God, for without Him, We are nothing. Until next time, take care.